now going to show you how to remove or change an aerator in our Flova basin mixers. For this job we will be using the aerator key, which will be supplied with your tap. In this case I'm going to change the standard champagne flow aerator to our low pressure spray version. A good tip is to close the plug hole so we don't lose any parts. Take the flow aerator key, locate the lugs and unscrew. Very important not to lose the washer. Change over the aerator in the housing. Screw back into the tap with the washer in place. And secure with the key. This is our low pressure aerator.